For over 25 years, Butter Plumbing has dutifully served the Las Vegas, Nevada community, ensuring that our customers have everything they need to keep their homes comfortable and convenient. We are locally and family-owned and operated, and we pride ourselves on our ability to troubleshoot problems and install new products. Don't take it from us, listen to what our clients have said about us. Charles Daggs says, "This was the third job I've had that Butter Plumbing did. I find them very courteous, professional, and above all they know what they're doing. I've used other plumbing companies that I've called out to do a project and I've had to call him out 2 or 3 more times to correct their problems." Mark Tunney says, "We had 4 issues to address and the 2 fellows that showed up were quiet, efficient and personable. They addressed all 4 issues in less time than I'd have had to spend resolving any one of them. Well done. Everything's better with Butter. Call us today to book an appointment."